Hey guys, this is a video on how I quickly install and remove the hardtop on my wife's JL Jeep. I also have a TJ and it works just as well on it, or any hardtop Jeep for that matter. I basically have the tractor with the forks, and then I've got the friction straps you can see here on the side. There's one there in the corner and one at the cutaway. They both wrap around the forks and attach to the other side, mirror image on the other side. And it's just a friction strap, not the actual ratchet straps. So as you can see here, I'll start moving this forward and it goes on real easy. And if nothing else, this is a perfect excuse to go out and buy a tractor.